Hi.
Hi.
What is it?
I don't know what is in there. This guy could not wait. Open. It's in there. What's that?
Hey,
Be nice. Nice. It's okay. This guy's sick. We've been MIA for the week. This one's getting sick. Okay. Calm down. It's Kuya's. Wow, he's so big. You want to open him?
Yeah.
He goes with Sally over here. Here, help me. Ugh. Can you take him out? Whoa, Santa Jack. Oh, now they are together.
Mommy, hi. What?
Yeah, how the Grinch stole Christmas. Miles, don't do that, dude. And then we have this, the Advent calendar, 5 Nights at Freddy.
Mommy. They can open windows
Oh, and this is our Christmas tree this year. Nightmare Before Christmas. And then we have Santa Jack inflatable, 0. And then Elf. You want to turn what on?
I go take a picture frame.
Where?
No. Mom!
What?
No!
You're stepping on Kuya.
No!
Okay, well, this is how my week's been going. 2 sick kids. No? No what? You don't want to go?
Mommy.
Huh? Go where?
My book.
Of your book? Okay, maybe later, okay? Let's go eat breakfast.
I want to eat breakfast.
Why?
I want to go here. I want to go here. Mom.
Yes?
I want to go here.
Okay, bye for now. Say see you later, you guys.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, baby. You gonna eat this? Or Daddy?
Let's go.